Hello and welcome to another BandLab tutorial. This time we're going to look at importing samples and what we can do there. Let's go to Add Track. Down here, Import Audio MIDI. So I went onto the Music Radar website and looked for some vocal ad-lib samples and came up with, as you can see, about 160. And so what I'm going to do is randomly click on one, hold down Control, click on another, hold down on Control, click on another, and then randomly click on another. That's 4 samples. I'm going to open those 4. There they are. I don't know what I've got and I don't know what they sound like, but straight away what I'm going to do is just copy one after the other. Put them on the same track. Let's have a quick listen to that.
Oh, ba-da-da-da-da. Yeah.
So that doesn't sound so good at the moment. What I'm going to do then is just move it onto the bar line.
Oh, ba-da-da-da-da. Yeah.
Now let's find a beat. In any style. We've got hundreds to choose from. Let's just randomly try one. Interesting. Let's drop it in.
Oh, ba-da-da-da-da. Yeah.
It's a bit pure, the vocal, at the moment, so let's try and dirty it up with putting some effects on. One thing I really like is the vocal octaver. Pull that up now, have a look, rewind. Use the cycle here and cycle this around and around. If you found this video interesting and useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you can see the next in the series.